Hi guys, I am going to read English newspaper. If you have a time, so you should also try to read. Devotees throng Badrinath Dham ahead of closure due to winter. Devotees in large numbers thronged the Sri Badrinath Dham temple on Sunday as the doors of the Dham were to be closed for the winter season at 9:07 pm today. An official release said ahead of the closure of the doors of the Badrinath Dham, Lord Badri Vishal was decorated with flowers on Sunday morning. As per the release, all the ornaments and clothes were removed and Lord Sri Badri Vishal was decorated with flowers today. After 8 pm today, Mata Lakshmi will be seated in the Centrum and the idols of Uddhav and Kuber ji will depart from the Centrum to Bamni. Pilgrims reached Sri Badrinath Dham in large numbers. The temple of Lord Badri Vishal will remain open for devotees throughout the day today. Study the newspaper. On this occasion, Sri Badrinath Dham temple has been decorated with 15 quintals of marigold flowers. Earlier, the Chamoli district magistrate visited the Badrinath Dham to review the arrangements for the closure of the temple for the winter season on Sunday. On the last day of the closure of the doors of Lord Badri Vishal, Chamoli DM Sandeep Tiwari took stock of the travel arrangements. The DM visited Badrinath like other devotees. Along with this, he praised the environmental friends, police force, ITBP, and temple committee officers and employees in the premises of Badrinath temple who remained engaged in the security arrangements of the devotees during the entire journey. People have already done darshan before and today too people are coming in large numbers. Today the doors will be closed by 9:07 pm. This time the yatra was very successful, said the DM. Ahead of the closure of the doors of the Badrinath Dham, Lord Badri Vishal was decorated with flowers. After 8 pm today, Mata Lakshmi will be seated in the Centrum and the idols of Uddhav. And thank you guys for watching this. Thank you.